He used to teach the children here under this tree in the 1700s, and they used to ring that white by that exact same bell that's there. Apparently it's the original bell.
It was very nice. I'm happy that we came and spent some time here.
In Greyton.
Yep, it was a good stay.
Good stay. Now we're on our way to Genadendal.
All of 5 kilos.
Sure, that's far. We almost forgot to tell you, we're leaving Greyton now and we're going through to Genadendal, the mission station. I think that's going to be very interesting. And then from there we're going through to George. And I think there's a gravel road I'll be able to take, but we'll see when we reach there. Horses?
And I believe there are horses in the town too.
Genadendal, here we come.
Welcome to Valley of Grace.
Valley of Grace. And there's horses all over the show here.
Yeah, roaming free.
I know there was a mission station here, a Moravian Mission Station. I just want to go and see. Apparently it's very interesting. You can have a look at it.
Yeah, believe it is quite a big setup.
Setup there, yeah. So I want to go and see what it looks like. Okay,
Oh.
This is interesting.
Yeah.
At the bottom of it is written 19 AD 28. So do you think it was 1928 that this thing was erected? It looks like, could be that old, eh?
I think so. That would make sense.
So it was erected in 1928 to show honor to the guys that died in the war of 1914 to 1918, which was the First World War. And all these people were from Genadendal. Wow. Interesting.
Yeah. So the arrow pointed this way to the heritage site.
A nice location for a school.
It is. What a beautiful setting.
Wow. Welcome to Historic Church Square.
This must be it.
Okay, so I'm going to see if I can find out some information about it.
Cottage
Museum. I wonder if one can go in there.
It's open.
The thatch has been redone. And I saw that Elam thatches from Elam truck here, so they must be doing the renovations on the thatch here.
I also saw the truck.
Yeah,
Because no one does it better
than they
right?
do, yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Interesting that this specific building was the first teachers' college in South Africa.
No way.
Yeah.
That is interesting.
Yes. With my luck, they have to be pruning the trees or trimming the trees here, tree felling with chainsaws. So please excuse the background noises. Apparently there's an old mill here somewhere too. There's water flowing here like crazy. Can't see where the mill is. Oh yeah, it's the mill. The old water mill. Wow. Unfortunately it's not flowing, they've diverted the water away. So it runs down here. Look at these beautiful gardens. So this is where the watermill turned and then they ground them. Amazing. The whole process. Look at these gears. Incredible. And this is where they pack the different flour, sifted flour, brand, the final product, coarse, fine flour, that side. Came through these tubes, wooden tubes as well, eh? When it was ground upstairs, it comes through this, into bags at the bottom here. Huh. But this was the first church with the building in the background. That was the first church and the church bell. But yeah, I can't say much now with all that noise in the background there. And then this was the second church and the third church. So the second church was on here, and then that got demolished somehow, and then they built the third church over here. 1891. Okay, this is where they said I must go through here to get to the pear tree and the old cemetery and the koi huts. Hopefully there's a bit more quiet over there, but this is cute. Tunnels. I have to actually crouch. Ah, there I can straighten up now. So here's the pear tree. Apparently George Schmidt, the German missionary who started the Moravian Mission Center here, he used to teach the children here under this tree in the 1700s, and they used to ring that white, by that exact same bell that's there. Apparently it's the original bell. They used to ring the bell over there to let the children come to school. He used to ring it 3 times a day. He used to teach them here. Incredible. So sad that the koi huts don't exist anymore. Oh, it's terrible. And yeah, it's something that they should consider. I would say it's like, that's what I was coming down here for, is to go and check out the koi huts, because they are the original inhabitants of the area. Wow. Genadendal. Well, more the Moravian church, mission station that George Schmidt started. Actually, he settled in the area on the 23rd of April 1938, and he started evangelizing amongst the koi people back then. Okay. And that's how this mission station started.
Look at these.
Yeah, cute little houses, eh?
Wow!
Beautiful.
They are so cute.
Cute, yeah. And that's how this mission station started.
That's very interesting.
Yeah, it is, eh?
Did you enjoy your walk around?
I did enjoy it. Now it's time to turn around and head in the direction of Caledon. That's where we're going.
So you think we've seen everything that there is to see here?
At the mission station, definitely. Well, that's what Genadendal is about the mission station.
Right.
Something else that I found very interesting was that he started evangelizing to the people and teaching them to read and write and all of that stuff, the koi people, and started converting them to Christianity. And what was amazing was that the other religions, when he started to baptize the people, the other religions got upset and said that he's not an ordained minister, he can't do that. And he got so much hassles that after 7 years he left the area and went back to Germany.
That's sad.
That is sad. He was trying to do something good and then...
Yeah. Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen, yeah.
The Latrobe coach house. Okay. No wonder they say that.
Because he was German.
Yeah.
But they don't have a lot of tourism coming through this way. I spoke to the one gentleman and he said not many tourists come anymore.
I wonder why that is.
Yeah, I got no idea.
Have the buildings been kept up properly?
They not in such good shape, but they do get a subsidy from the government, I hear. But I suppose it's a lot of money to maintain those buildings. Look at that whole new grass roof on that old
museum.
The old museum,
The
cottage museum, where there actually was the first teachers' college in South Africa.
That's
that specific building, you know.
That's very interesting.
It's got a brand new thatch roof on. So, okay, let's head to Caledon.